Hello traders, as I promised you yesterday in my video, today we are going to look at crude oil prices and Forex so that you can use its fundamentals plus price action strategy to kill the market. So let's go to crude oil prices and Forex. So I will also read through this. Crude oil is processed in plastics, food additives, synthetics, and most importantly petrol, gasoline. In addition, more than 66% of all crude oil is produced in 10 countries, and that is Russia 13%, USA 12%, China 5%, Canada 5%, and 6 OPEC 31%. Member nation, that is Saudi Arabia, Iran, United Arab Emirates, Venezuela, Iraq, Kuwait. And both factors make crude oil an important, extremely liquid commodity market. In short, there is an enormous demand for oil worldwide, actually even in my country, and any rumors or announcements by major oil producing countries and OPEC is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, can actually cause a huge market fluctuations in oil prices. Not only that, as a trader, right, you can profit from selling or buying crude oil, but use the crude oil market as an indicator for trading USD, CAD, and JPY currencies. Right, as you can see, we are going to look at all this. Now that we have known the countries which produce crude oil, so how is this information important to us as traders? All right, you know we are dealing with foreign exchange trading, which is Forex trading, where we are trading currencies, and we trade currencies in pairs. So one of the major currencies we have is USD, which is United States of American dollar, and we also have Canadian dollar, which forms actually a pair called USD CAD. All right. Not only that, some traders trade the Chinese yuan, they trade the Russian ruble, right? The currency for Russia is ruble, right? And that of China is yuan, Chinese yuan. All right. So we need to look at this, right? Which I have just read. As a trader, not only can you profit from selling and buying crude oil, which you can also do, as I'm going to show you on a chart, both on MT5 or MT4 and on trading view, right? But use the crude oil market as an indicator for trading USD CAD and JPY currencies. I'm going to show you this one on a chart. Let me begin here. The oil and USD CAD, right? About 45% of all US crude oil imports come from Canada, thanks to its advantageous location. Logically, USA causes a huge demand for Canadian dollar when the price of crude oil increases, which means that USA buys crude oil from Canada, right? And when they are buying crude oil from Canada, they pay them using the Canadian dollar, right? Which makes the demand for Canadian dollar to increase. So which means the increase in prices of crude oil will also lead to the increase in demand for Canadian dollar. Are you seeing, guys? So when you look at this pair like USD CAD, right? Because as I told you in my previous video, USD is here the best currency, so which means on a chart this pair USD CAD will be falling or decreasing while crude oil will be moving up. In this case, we are trying to mean that crude oil prices is increasing while Canadian dollar is also, as a currency, is also increasing in value, which is in this case the quote currency. So let's go to the chart and we see what I'm trying to mean. So let me begin on MT4 platform so that I can see if it can work, and I will be using XNS as a broker. So let me sign in, and you see in this case we shall need crude oil and USD CAD. Now let me first add crude oil, and you see, and to do that we'll go here, right? Then from there I'll click on this plus icon. Then from there, I'm going to go to crude oil is in a group of energies, which is here, energies group, right? And as you can see, it is here, crude oil. We also have crude oil Brent, but we are interested in this one, which is crude oil. So let me just click on it. Then I'll click on add symbol, right? And if I come here, you can see it has already been added, crude oil, use oil, right? So you tap there, right? You click on open chart. So this is crude oil, right? And you want to see how is it related to the USD card, because for here you can see the price is bullish, right? Although here we are in a pullback, right? But we are bullish. So let's look at this. Is on 1 hour time frame, right? So that is crude oil. Let's open USD card, because we saw they have what you call a negative correlation, right? As this one is moving up, the other one will be moving down. So if this is in a pullback, then we can expect the other one to be rallying up, but in a downtrend. So let's go and look for USD card. Let me see if I have it here. It's here. USD card. I click on open chart again. All right, you can see as we are saying, I told you guys. This is amazing. So if I can draw, let me just change my font like this. As I told you, this is a downtrend, not so. You can testify this is a downtrend, and this was just a pullback, right? To do like this, but we're in a downtrend. If I draw something like key levels, I can just pull this one up. Price is likely to maybe stop from here, right here. I think, guys, since this one, this liquidity has been grabbed here, let me just pull out this one like this. This is liquidity which has been grabbed, and I'm thinking price is likely to, do this. It's likely to stop from here. It's likely to come like this, okay? All right, so this is USD card, and it is negatively correlating with the crude oil. If I get back to crude oil, you can see it is bullish, the other one is bearish. This one is in a pullback, the other one was also in a pullback, right? So this is how you trade these assets. You can see crude oil is acting as a leading indicator of USD card. Okay? So let's see if I can use it on TradingView. Let's go to Google Chrome and you will type there tradingview.com. This is the TradingView which is loading tradingview.com. So what you do, you just click on these three bars on the left. You go here on products. Of course, you are supposed to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. Now I already have an account, but let me just go straight to the products. Click on super charts. So this chart here on TradingView is for a stock called Apple Incorporation. That is a company, and you want to change it and add USD card. Thereafter you shall add an overlay or compare it with the crude oil. Let me just open USD card, right? USD card for currencies. USD card. All these are blockers. We have FXCM as a broker, or Wanda as a broker. We have Forex.com, Pepperstone that collaborate with the TradingView. So let me just choose any of my choice. Let me just choose Wanda. So I'll go with this one, USD card for Wanda. So you first add USD card, right? Let me go to add crude oil, and to do so, let me just go back. So to use this as a leading indicator on TradingView, because we want to put crude oil as an overlay on USD card, so that we shall be able to see each and everything on one chart. And so you are going to click on this plus icon on TradingView. So once you are here, that's when you are going to type crude oil US. Let me see. Let me use its symbol, US oil. Let me see. All right. It's here. You can see we have a lot of crude oil offered by different brokers, and I will choose that one of Forex.com, and I will click on same percentage scale. You can see the negative correlation. Crude oil is moving up while USD CAD is moving down. The yellow line is crude oil, which is above USD CAD on a candlestick chart, and you can see that gap in between. That shows that crude oil is moving up, and the other one, USD CAD, is moving down. They are moving in a different direction, and that is the negative correlation you are talking about. If I mark the low of this crude oil, you can see it is being taken out, and that would signal a change of trend downwards. So while crude oil is selling, we should be expecting USD CAD to be buying. Select crude oil symbol if you want to delete it, and click on the X icon and it will disappear off the chart. So lastly is oil and CAD JPY. Now this time you can see we are tallying oil and another pair which is CAD JPY, and this pair are CAD JPY, CAD or Canadian dollar is the best currency. So which means as you can see, as oil increases, Canadian dollar will also be increasing in value. But why is this one happening? While Canada is a net exporter of crude oil, Japan imports 99% of it. In addition, Japan is the fourth biggest consumer country of crude oil because it makes up nearly 47% of all of Japanese energy resources. When crude oil price increases, you go long or buy on the CAD JPY. If all other factors, affecting factors, are neutral. So beware that trading CAD JPY involves high risk, as the pair generally has bigger spreads, a difference between the bid and ask price, because it's traded less than the USD CAD currency pair. So let me also illustrate this one on a chart, but entirely you have come to know that when oil is increasing in price, then you should also buy Canadian dollar, which is CAD JPY in this case, and you can as well sell USD CAD. So here, CAD JPY with oil, they are positive correlated. All right, so let's go back to the chart, and this time I'll also use trading view so that I can show you the relationship. So we are here back on trading view. So this time we are going to look for CAD JPY. So I'll just type here in this search bar, right, and I'll just type CAD JPY, Canadian dollar, stroke of vis-a-vis Japanese yen, right? And all these are blockers, as I told you, right, which are offering that currency. So me, I'll go with just any of them, and that is FXCM. All right, so let me just tap there, and the chart for CAD JPY is going to load. Right, you can see this is CAD JPY. So what you do, we are going to look for gold. We are going to compare it with the oil, not gold, oil. And to do that, as I told you, click on that plus icon, right, and you go with this one, use oil, this one, crude oil. Okay, then you click on this one, same scale, same percentage scale. So depending on your network, it should have been already on the chart. So now you can see that CAD JPY is rolling up, while even crude oil is rolling up. You can see this line, right, and you can see this one, which is CAD JPY. All of them are moving in the same direction, and when you see crude oil doing this, just come here. This one I expect is likely to take out this low, right, and does something like this, okay, just like this one of CAD JPY did. Okay, so that's what you should expect when you are trading this pair. So you can see how crude oil acts as a leading indicator towards this pair of CAD JPY. So I hope you have been able to get the most of value out of this tutorial. Please subscribe for more ideas, for more trading tips, for more educational tutorials. Until next time, peace and love.